Today we're diving straight into the best Uphold cards for spending, focusing on maximizing convenience, rewards, and global usability. Uphold offers a variety of cards linked directly to your account, making it easy to spend your digital assets, fiat, or cryptocurrencies anywhere that accepts MasterCard. Among the options, the standard Uphold card stands out for everyday use. This card allows instant conversion from crypto to fiat at the point of sale, eliminating the need for pre-exchange. It supports multiple currencies, so whether you're in New York, London, or Lagos, your spending is seamless. There are no hidden monthly fees, and you can manage all transactions directly from the Uphold app, giving you complete visibility over your balance and spending habits. For those looking to optimize rewards, the Uphold Cashback card is an excellent choice. It offers a percentage of cashback on all purchases, credited back in the asset of your choice, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, or US dollars. This card is perfect for users who actively hold cryptocurrency and want to grow their portfolio while spending daily. Transactions are processed quickly, and card management features like freezing, unfreezing, and setting spending limits are fully integrated into the app for security. Travelers and international spenders benefit most from the multi-currency features. The Uphold card allows you to hold and spend multiple fiat currencies without conversion fees at competitive rates. Whether paying in euros, dollars, or pounds, the card automatically converts your balance at the best available rate, saving money on foreign exchange. Overall, Uphold cards combine flexibility, rewards, and simplicity. They give users the power to spend fiat or crypto anywhere MasterCard is accepted, while offering the transparency and control of a fully integrated digital platform. Whether for everyday purchases, online shopping, or international travel, these cards are designed to make spending simple, efficient, and rewarding.